Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Here are 10 herbal and natural remedies known to help alleviate back pain. Number 1. Capsaicin. Derived from chili peppers, capsaicin can alleviate back pain by desensitizing nerve receptors and reducing pain signals sent to the brain. Topical capsaicin creams or patches can be applied to the affected area, gradually providing pain relief. 2. Lavender oil. Applied topically, lavender essential oil can alleviate back pain through its analgesic properties. 3. Turmeric. Its active compound, curcumin, holds potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can ease back pain. Curcumin mitigates inflammation by inhibiting inflammatory enzymes, providing relief from chronic pain associated with various back conditions such as sciatica and arthritis. Incorporate turmeric into your diet, or consider turmeric supplements for their beneficial effects. 4. Ginger. Rich in gingerol. Ginger acts as a natural pain reliever and anti-inflammatory agent. It suppresses inflammatory substances and pathways in the body, reducing back pain and discomfort. You can consume ginger in various forms, including fresh ginger tea, supplements, or adding it to meals. 5. Willow bark. Contains salicin, similar to aspirin, exerting analgesic and anti-inflammatory effects. It's known to relieve lower back pain effectively. Willow bark can be consumed as a tea or taken in supplement form, although it's essential to consult a healthcare professional before use due to potential side effects. 6. Arnica. Often used topically as a gel or cream, arnica can soothe muscle aches and reduce inflammation in the back. Its anti-inflammatory properties may alleviate discomfort caused by strains or minor injuries. Apply arnica topically to the affected area but avoid open wounds or broken skin. 7. Boswellia. Also known as Indian frankincense, Boswellia possesses anti-inflammatory properties. It aids in reducing inflammation and improving blood flow to the affected area, easing back pain. Boswellia supplements are available, but consulting a healthcare professional is recommended for proper dosage. 8. Valerian root. Known for its muscle-relaxing properties, valerian root can ease tension and muscle spasms, contributing to back pain. Valerian supplements or teas are available, offering potential relief from mild to moderate back discomfort. 9. Eucalyptus oil. Offers anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties that can help alleviate back pain. When used topically, diluted eucalyptus oil may provide a cooling sensation and relief from soreness in the back muscles. 10. White willow bark contains salicin, a compound similar to aspirin, offering pain-relieving and anti-inflammatory effects. It's commonly used for back pain relief, often available in supplement or tea forms. Consulting a healthcare professional is advised before use due to potential side effects and interactions. These herbal remedies may vary in effectiveness for individuals. It's essential to consult a healthcare professional before incorporating them, especially if you have existing health conditions or are on medication, to ensure safety and proper usage. Please subscribe to my channel for more.